Hey cucumbers! In this video, I'll show you how to take apart a generic micropipette from eBay. First, you can take off the cap. It doesn't actually serve any purpose and is purely aesthetic. The same is true of the blue cover piece. Next, you'll want to grab the multi-tool included with the pipette. To remove the tip ejector, you have to push the ejector all the way down, slip the multi-tool into the latch, and then remove the bottom half of the tip ejector. Once the bottom is removed, you can also remove the top half. Just be a bit careful, since there is a spring in the mechanism which will go flying if you're not paying attention. Next, you'll need the multi-tool again to unscrew the pipette tip and spring mechanism. And again, just be careful about flying springs. After that, you'll need to find a pair of pliers to lever off the thumb trigger. It takes a bit of force, and you can't just use your hands in my experience. Once that's done, you can use the multi-tool to unscrew the retaining ring, which holds the last spring in the assembly. The last thing you'll need to complete the disassembly process is a hollow tube to push out the core. I actually used the tip from a barbecue lighter, but any tube should work as long as it's about 14 centimeters long and roughly 11 millimeters in diameter with thin walls. The core is friction fit inside the casing, so you'll need quite a bit of force to remove it. You could go even further in disassembling the core once you've removed it, but figuring out that core mechanism could probably be an entire video itself, so I won't go into it here. And that's all the parts disassembled. If you found the information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.